Alright, so I hope you guys can hear it. Right now I'm going about 35, almost 40 miles per hour. I've got my all-terrains on. I'm going to be really quiet and just let you listen. Slowing down for a red light. There is tire noise, but it's really not bothering me that much. Not bothering me that much at all, actually. I think my normal listening to the radio and the news... Oh, sorry about that. My normal listening to the radio and the news, I probably won't even notice it. So yes, a little noisy, but they don't sound like mud tires. This could be partially because I've got secondhand tires. These are used tires with a very good amount of tread on it. I think the least amount was 11 fifteenths or 12 fifteenths. And the best ones, which I put on the rear, were 13 fifteenths. And now I've got it at highway speed. Or should I say legal highway speed, 60, 65. Got my windows rolled up, got the AC off. I can hear it, but it's not like a loud rumble that makes me feel uncomfortable with it. I am fine with it, so that's my review. It's KO2, sound good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like. And of course, this is part of my vlog for my 2011 project, Ford Explorer, all-wheel drive, coming to the finishing touches of what I wanted to do with it from me purchasing it from auction. And make comments below, guys. What do you think about it? I am definitely still going to put those 1-inch adapters on the front, but so far I think it's pretty awesome.